another quarantine vlog, I guess. So this is number 2. Today is, what is today? The day before Easter. And I just wanted to show you just a little bit of some of the decor I did, because I really didn't do a tour or anything like that. So my sister Anna is at my house. We are just sitting there chilling, watching Revenge. Who doesn't love a little bit of Revenge? Oh my goodness, I love this show. And here's the fireplace. I should have probably turned it on. Okay, so I had to turn it on for you. What do you guys think? Let me see if I can remove these sunglasses. I can't remove them, sorry guys. But yeah, just a little bit of my fireplace. And there's blankets. Love the blankets. And then this is what it looks like. We have like this couch, and then I have one of those where my water, my tea, everything is. There's a little pillow. And then I don't think I've ever shown this corner. Oh my goodness, you guys gotta see Leo. Hi, Leo. Hi. Leo's like, I'm not getting up. I'm so comfortable here. And then my little bunnies over there. I don't know if I showed you guys. Look at those bunnies. And then, you know, the diffusers over there. Anyway, see you soon. You guys, do you want to see how much my fur babies love my sister? There's my sister. There's Louie. There's Leo. They have been fighting over being around Anna this whole time. We almost had a look at that. Look at that. And Leo just kicked out Louie to sit right there and warm up by Anna. And so they have been doing this the whole evening. We've been watching TV. It is absolutely the sweetest thing ever. Oh, you guys are just too much. Thank you, Anna. They love you. See, animals feel good people. They do. Hey guys, it's another gorgeous day here, and we decided not to go to the forest preserve. We're just walking around the neighborhood. There's my little baby. There's the second one in here. And I'm just wearing a poncho and just covering my ears because it's kind of coolish, but it's kind of nice at the same time. Okay, you guys. Serge, you want to open it? Honey, open. Here, I'll open it. Wow. That is what it looks like. Can I have something here? I'll get one of these guys. Look at this. All this goodness. Whoop. That's wild mushrooms that were picked and dried by my father-in-law in Ukraine. Then I have some drumsticks here, and just potatoes with my special secret gravy. Happy Easter. So it's just the two of us for Easter. Gregory's gone. We don't want to, because Serge is working, we don't want to risk anything getting to my dad. So we're just home, just the two of us. In case one of you do want to move to Chicago, this is what April 15th looks like in Chicago. I just woke up, literally just wiped my face, and this is what I woke up to. It's snow. Look at this. It's snow. And because it's been so cold, my grass does need to be done. But yeah, I woke up to snow. Lots of snow. But it's kind of like, it's that cold. It's probably going to melt today, but it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I kind of like it. Oh well. Hi guys. Look at my little kitty. He just had a bath. When we have a bath, we are very, very sad, and we don't talk to nobody. And we get very, oh my goodness, look at him. Say hi, Louie. Or Leo, hold on. That's Leo. Louie's getting his bath right now. Hi, Leo. Oh. But we have a clean kitty, don't we? Don't we? Yeah. Yes, we do. So basically what happens is we give him food first, because after he gets a bath, he's such a drama queen. He will not eat for the rest of the night. He just curls up and ignores everybody. Oh, he's such a drama queen, but that's okay. We love him anyway. Look at that smile. Look at that smile on that kitty. Look at him smile. Okay, so Louie's a little different. Louie, say hi. He's trying to get dry against my shirt. So Louie is going to run around the house like a crazy little dog, which we love. Yes, we do. And then he's going to get blow dried. Yes, he is. And that's his favorite part. He loves to get blow dried. Louie, show them your wet little... Ah! All right. And just like that, the bath time is over. Both of them got their treats. Leo, of course, didn't eat his. He's not talking to anybody, all curled up. And Louie is just resting. He's totally okay with it. He had his blow dry of his hair, or his fur, whatever you want to call it, and he is doing absolutely fine. In my last video, I talked about hair training, and a lot of you guys didn't know what that was. But basically it is when we wash our hair too much or shampoo our hair too much, which I was doing, it strips away the healthy oils, and then our hair or our hair follicle ends up overproducing oil. And so we get oilier quicker, and we wash more, and our hair gets oilier quicker. And it's basically a revolving kind of cycle. So in hair training, what happens is you basically, you get oily. You let your hair get oily, and you start washing your hair less and less, and that's when kind of things stabilize. And instead of washing your hair every day, then you wash it every 2 days, every 3 days, and depending on your hair, so on and so forth. Because I thought it was, my hair was just oily, and then my friend is like, I have thin hair like you too, Nadia. And I started hair training, and her hair just got, oh my goodness, beautiful, long, just shiny, and not oily shiny, just beautiful. So that's why I started doing it. So right now I am up to washing my hair every 3 days, and I did notice that it's not as oily, or it doesn't get as oily as fast. And I have been doing it for the past month. So, doing every other day, every 2 days. And at first I was so frustrated. I was like, this is nuts. You just, but the cool thing is because we're stuck inside anyway, I don't have any meetings outside of my home. So it's kind of allowed, because otherwise if I'm going out every other day, every day, I have to wash my hair. So I don't know. I've been loving it, you guys. Let me know what you think, or if you ever did this or tried it. So I'm trying this coffee. You know how the new coffee phase, where you take the instant coffee with sugar, hot water, and then mix it for whatever time. I mixed it for about 5 minutes, maybe 4 with my mixer, if not less. And it's okay. I don't understand the craze. It's okay. It's creamy, but I feel like my keto coffee that I make, where I whip up my heavy cream, is better and more comforting. I did make the cold one. Maybe you guys made the warm one and it was better, but I don't know. I'm not too impressed, to tell you the truth. Ooh, look at this filter. Loving the lashes over here. Anyway, you guys, this is April 17th. Like, seriously, I'm not surprised. We've had snow in May before, I remember. I'm just opening the door for Louie to go back into the house. As you can see, he made tracks in the snow. Like, seriously? Anyway, you guys, I'm getting cold out here because I'm wearing like this short sleeve sweater deal. But anyway, I think I'm going to close off this vlog. Stay safe. Love you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.